In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country in YouTube Studio. So if you have moved to a new country and you'd like to go ahead and change your default country from your previous country, then it is pretty much simple to do it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and go to your channel, and that is accessing YouTube Studio. And once you are in YouTube Studio, head over to settings. In your YouTube Studio, just go down here and you'll see the settings gear. Go ahead and click on it. From this, choose the option called channel, and under channel, go ahead and click on basic info. And here you can see your initial country of residence. If you have moved to a different country, go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and then choose your current country from this list. So if I move to Qatar, and I'll choose Qatar, and then go ahead and click on save to make the change. And now you can see the settings have been saved successfully. So anytime I go to channel and settings, you can see your current country will be the new one. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.